Y'all see we got on our Cavs hats.
Yeah,
we repping.
Yeah. Always repping, you know what I mean? Hardly home, but
always repping.
I know it ain't like the most popular thing right now. You know, life without LeBron has been really, really tough for my Cavaliers, but we'll be alright. You know, I've never been into
He's so loyal.
Absolutely. I've never been into like what's popular. You know, I've always been into what's right, and you know, Cleveland is what's right, and you know, I'm a Cleveland boy, so it's only right that I rep. So
yeah, so I got to rep too.
Absolutely. I mean, we're a unit. You know what I mean? We all in and all that good stuff. So
yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day that I take Gerard's virginity. This is, yeah. So, I know that sounds crazy, but he's a virgin to Chick-fil-A, guys. Like, who has not eaten at Chick-fil-A? Where have you been? This guy doesn't do fast food like that.
Exactly.
How many years, Bob?
That's the reason why. I think maybe like 13 years now? 13, 14
13 years, no fast food.
Yeah. Unless you count Chipotle and Subway.
Yeah.
If you count those two, I guess I'm guilty, but otherwise, McDonald's, Burger King, you know, and nah, I haven't had those in several years, but yeah.
Was Chick-fil-A around like 13 years ago?
Absolutely, Chick-fil-A was around. I remember seeing Chick-fil-A in New York or various places, or Virginia, different places I've been to. People have been.
But he's never been.
Nah.
What in the world?
No
That's
Chick-fil-A
crazy, right?
For me, so
today is the day.
Today's the first.
We're gonna change that.
Yeah. I heard great things about it. Bub loves it. She's always talking about what's the sauce?
I usually get the honey mustard and what is it? Polynesian sauce.
The Polynesian sauce.
If y'all like that sauce, drop something in the comment section. Let me know.
Yeah, so she's been raving about it, and in Houston, there's a ton of, you know, great fast food restaurants, whether it be, there's an In-N-Out here, right?
Yeah.
You got Whataburger and all these different...
I haven't been to Whataburger.
Yeah, all these different fast food spots that people rave about, and, you know, she's been talking about this Chick-fil-A.
I go there all the time.
I figured we'd go check it out, not to mention, you know, Pastor and different things that he's been talking about it, and then also...
It's
the video
like
that you gotta
yeah, I'm gonna have to put in this video that he sent to me the other day. It was pretty cool.
I don't know what military base these people trained at, but I'm not mad at them. You got 4 people outside with handhelds, okay, under umbrellas. You got 2 people outside the drive-thru to greet you with your food. It be ready. I was in the line 3.5 seconds. That was to order, pay, and get my food. Baby, let me tell you what kind of training they doing. They is in the military in Chick-fil-A. I'm telling you, they have some training that they're doing, and I'm proud of them. I'm proud of them. I don't understand why I go to Popeyes and I got to wait on hot chicken when all you sell is chicken. McDonald's don't ever have nothing working, and don't let me get started on Burger King. Okay? But Chick-fil-A be killing it. They have a military base that they train out of. I'm convinced. And I just appreciate the professionalism. It's hot as hell out here, but they smiling. Cheese, may I help you? Hello, Miss Carissa. How do you know me? Because I told the girl back there, and they communicate. Communication is the key. Fries hot. I didn't even check my bag. And if it's a mistake, then that's what I was supposed to have. That's what I'm saying. Y'all, but I feel I'm emotional right now, because in the day we live, people don't even like their jobs like that. But these people, they are on it. They got a scholarship fund. Go in right over your condiments. They say that they give these people a scholarship fund. Take care of your people. Take care of your people, and your people will take care of you. That's the lesson today. It comes through Chick-fil-A, but this is what's real out here in these streets. I'm about to eat with gratification. I didn't mind paying for that. I didn't even mind. Swipe my card. swipe my card, Chick-fil-A. Whoo! I got a tear. These fries is hot. Smoke coming out of them. Look at that. Crunchy. I'm satisfied. I don't even need no more. Oh my god. And every one of them like that. Not just one. You can't have it your way. You can have it your way. Thank you. I approve this message. Feliz Navidad.
Today's the day, and I don't know about the virginity thing, but
I'm taking his virginity.
today is the day. You know,
He's gonna love it. I'm really
see
excited.
if the hype is real. So
let's do it.
now I heard. Bob gonna link that link, but I heard a lot about the welcome team, so I'm hoping that the customer service is militant, is on point. You know what I'm saying? Because I heard they running the boot camp. You know what I mean? So
we're gonna try to drive through and everything. He needs the whole experience.
I want to take it all in. You know, matter of fact, I'm gonna let the lady, gentleman, whoever answer the phone, let them know.
The phone.
Answer the what's this they call this? I don't even do fast food. I don't even know what this is called. The drive-through, the window. You know, whoever answer, you know, I'm gonna let them know this is my first time, and I want them to make me feel special.
They're gonna make you feel special. You don't even have to tell them that.
Bless me up.
They gonna do it.
So we're gonna see. Now the lady mentioned something about a welcome team and the communication.
They not out here
that.
today.
I mean, what's up? Is this guy right here?
No, it's not him.
He got a hammer in his hand, so I don't know what he about to go do. You know what I mean? But we'll see. You got any recommendations in terms of something I can try?
So I told him to just get something that's like really quick and easy from the drive-thru because we're gonna go in as well. So maybe he can get like a milkshake or something. I think that'd be cool.
Let's see. This is it. Don't get scared now. So no, let's get one of these. Let's try the grill cool wrap. That's right up my alley.
Babe, but we're gonna go in.
Ready here, Chick-fil-A, how may I serve you?
What do you think, Bubba? Can I try the grill cool wrap? This is my very first time at Chick-fil-A. So can you make sure they make that one with extra love?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. So I'll try the grill cool wrap.
Do you want the meal or just the wrap?
I'll just try the wrap for right now. What's the meal? What comes with the meal?
The meal comes with a side, which you can pick fries, fruit, a yogurt, a side salad, a superfood, a soup, or
You know what? Let's make it a meal. Let's add the waffle fries. And what else comes with it?
a drink, sir. I have sweet tea, lemonade, and fountain drinks. Shake.
What flavor of Powerade do you guys have?
I only have the blue Powerade, sir.
Oh, you can get a shake with it as well?
Yes, sir. It'll just charge you.
That'll be it.
Okay, so I have a wrap with fries. What dressing do you want with the wrap?
Which one do you recommend? Like I said, this is my first time. My wife tells me this Polynesian sauce is very good.
I'm going to give you 2 dressings that I personally like, and you can go ahead and try them out.
See, that's love. You're going to give me 2. I appreciate that. Thank you.
1071, your name, please?
Gerard.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
So what we're going to do is, we're just going to order your food inside, Bob. So we'll go in, I'll get my food, you know what I mean? One thing I noticed, she said something, her verbiage she used, she says, how may I assist you? She said, how may I something. It was a little bit different. It wasn't how may I help you. It was a little bit different. We're going to ask this lady up here what the Chick-fil-A verbiage is, because the verbiage was a little bit different.
You notice she asked you your name?
She did ask me. That
They're
was a
gonna
little
greet
bit
you with your
different.
name.
That was a little bit different. And I heard about that. My lady talked about that. You know what I mean? So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if they about their business up here. You know what I mean? See if they know me.
Gerald?
Gerard.
Gerald. 1071.
Okay, 1071. She got my name wrong, but we ain't gonna give her no points off on that. Mostly all people can't even say my name neither.
Yeah, you get all kind of
Gerald.
pronunciation.
Harold. They got different names. With a G, it's with a J.
I think they more so like spell it wrong.
Yeah, it's all good. Let me see how she spelled it. Let's check this out. Is it on here somewhere, Bubba?
Yeah, they don't put your name on the receipt.
They communicated it somehow. I thought it would have been here. Alan, let me ask you a question, brother. So when I pulled up to the window, what did they say? They didn't say how. They said something. The verbiage was a different. She said, "How may I something?" What did she say?
Oh, may I take your order?
Oh, may I take your order? It was a little bit different. Oh, okay. All right. I don't know. It was my first time here, so my wife had been raving about this spot, so I just wanted to check it out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I hope it is as good as she says it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure, I hope that too.
As well. Thank you.
Babe, I don't think you got the right thing though. I didn't know you were like you were gonna actually get a meal through the drive-thru. I would have suggested something else. The Cool Wrap is not that great.
All right, well, we're going to go inside then. I guess we're going to...
You gonna eat twice is what you're gonna do.
I'm going to eat some of that. And we're going to pull up out here and eat. Listen, I'm really not into...
Who does that? Like, we ain't doing no Cool Wraps. He need to get that Chick-fil-A sandwich.
We're going to see
That's
that.
the one right
That's
there.
the one. I asked you.
I didn't know you were doing your due.
Home of the original chicken.
Oh my goodness.
For here, we may end up eating outside. Is that considered here? Or is that so we'll do it for here.
Yeah.
So this is actually my first time here. So I'm gonna lean on my wife's expertise and let her decide. Unless you had a recommendation.
My favorite sandwich here is the spicy. That's the one I
The spicy?
Yeah, the spicy.
Which one is it?
He likes spicy.
I like spicy. I like spicy.
If you want, like, I prefer like the lettuce. I like vegetables and stuff like that, so I think there's some tomatoes on there.
Let's do it.
Alright, you want pickles on there or no?
Do you like pickles?
I'm not crazy about pickles.
Me,
My God, kind of though.
good for you,
And
man?
I'm gonna have the #1, the deluxe. And may I have honey mustard and Polynesian on the side?
Okay, the dipping sauces?
Yes, and also mayo.
Alright.
Pie so good.
So far so good. Sean taking care of me.
Alright, bring it up. Straws are in the back of the bucket. And I'm going to get you mayonnaise.
Thank you.
Killing it right now. Call me Mr. 2 Cup.
Two
Always
cup.
got 2 cups in my hand.
Alright, you guys good to go?
Awesome. So we just wait here?
You can go ahead and sit down and break to you.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks, Sean. Alright, so it's about to go down. I went with the spicy chicken, a recommendation by my man Sean. Let's see what's up.
And I got the Chick-fil-A sandwich deluxe. This is my favorite sandwich. I only get this.
Birds is like the morning, so we gotta watch them. Say the dish real quick. Get a little blessed food that we see. Let's see. We'll dive into the sandwich. Spicy chicken. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Fries on point. They hot. Actually, while we were setting up, fries got a little bit cold, so I went back inside. Just was no problem. But then we got some fresh fries, so they already went into my book. There's no pushback. It was like, sure, let me take care of that for you. So I appreciate that.
You murdered in it, I tell you that.
I could rock with this, you know what I mean? So after sitting and sipping, the jury is back. And the verdict is I should eat more chicken.
You should eat more.
It was banging. The spicy chicken recommendation from my boy Sean was on point. The fries was on point. Nice and hot, like my lady said. They were fresh. And like I said, Bub was setting up to record some stuff. and I actually got a little cold, and I went back inside, and they like, listen, no problem. Whatever you need, we'll take care of you. So, great customer service.
Absolutely. They're so hospitable. I love that. They came and brought us our food.
Called me by my name. They said it wrong, but I forgive them. You know, a lot of people get it wrong.
Did Sean say it wrong?
No, Sean's my man. Sean, I don't know. Sean didn't ask me my name.
Are you sure?
I'm almost positive Sean didn't ask me my name.
Maybe they only do that through the drive-thru.
Possibly. That's it. But I think I'm going to have to get corporate a call. See if we can get this documentation going. Chick-fil-A might be in my future. Gotta do this application.
He trying to do a franchise, y'all.
I mean, when something's great, you know what I mean?
You gotta invest.
Get in where you fit in. So, next time you see me, if I'm wearing Chick-fil-A, I got the Chick-fil-A hat on.
Because I own that joint.
I might be running things, so we'll see.
He gonna go from trying it for the first time to franchising with Chick-fil-A.
Franchise. I mean, listen, you gotta go for it, man. If something is good, why wait, man?
Right.
This might be a testimony for somebody, man. You ain't gotta keep going a bunch of times, man. If it feels right, go with it.
Just like you did with me, babe.
I was just about to say that. You know what I'm saying? I saw Bubba one time and I was done. That's it.
Like that's the one for me.
That's it. I was done.
I gotta lock that up.
So, you know what I mean? I went for it, you know? Why delay the inevitable?
Yeah.
You know it's good. You know, this is meant to be, man. It felt so right.
Let's just do this thing.
Let's do it. The food blessed my life.
You said what I say.
And I'm gonna jump on the bandwagon and get this Chick-fil-A going, so I gotta do it. I gotta go for it. I still prefer the home cooked meals, but if I do decide to eat fast food, Chick-fil-A, you got my business. Yeah, so that was my Chick-fil-A experience with Msnaturallymary.
He enjoyed it. I'm glad.
Enjoyed it. The food was banging.
I convinced him.
Actually, the Chick-fil-A sauce, that did it. That was real good as well. I think I use that as a little dipping sauce for my wafer fries. I've always been a huge fan of wafer fries, so.
Those are the best, right?
They were banging, fresh. The chicken was fresh, it was good, you know. So, I'm officially in. So that was my Chick-fil-A experience. I guess where'd my cherry go? My cherry has been popped.
Your cherry, it's in there. Oh my goodness. It's in there.
Didn't get it.
You gotta eat it.
I gotta eat it.
Yeah.
To commemorate my cherry. So my cherry has been popped here in Houston.
Oh my goodness.
At the Chick-fil-A.
I'm your first.
She's my first, my last, my
only.
my everything. I mean, so we gonna sign off. I'm Captain Jack.
Captain Jack. I thought you were Naturally Gerard.
Better known as Naturally Gerard.
He needs to do my hair next. I told him.
AKA JJ Bennett.
We'll see y'all next time.
AKA
Large.
Beast.
You done?
AKA
Mary's husband.
J-Rock. AKA Mary's husband. AKA Gerard. Thank you guys for watching.
We'll see y'all next time.
We'll see you in the next video.
You did a good job wrapping it up, babe. Look at you.
I'm a natural, man. I'm a natural.
Bye, y'all.
Mm-hmm.